Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can turn 1 Solana into 10 Solana as quickly as possible. And in today's video I'm going to give you guys an exact strategy. I'm not going to show you guys how you can actually gamble on meme coins or anything. I'm going to show you guys a proven strategy that at least has made me thousands of dollars and turned 1 Solana for me in over more than 200 plus Solana. So I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy in this video. Before I do that, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you basically want to follow this strategy, it's really important that you're using a Telegram trading bot. I genuinely don't care which one you're using, just make sure the one you're using has this limit order feature, and also I would just recommend also using it basically because it's just much faster than Radium, Jupiter. Your transactions will get much better entries, will go much faster, so just use it. Currently I'm using Trojan. I'll have it linked, first link in the description below if you want to check it out. And yeah, basically that being said, let's just get into the video. One more thing, however, I do not have a face cam right now. That's simply because my face cam has just died down. I just need to buy a new one. So within the next couple of days or weeks, you can expect a face cam again. For now, just no face cam. If you want to know how I look, so maybe think it's a bit more professional or looks a bit more legit, just go to any of my other videos and you will have me right there. That being said, what is my strategy? Well, my strategy is extremely easy, but trust me, it does actually work. My strategy actually contains just two things that are support and resistance levels, so support and resistance levels just like that, and also a Fibonacci retracement tool basically. It's this one right here. If you don't know how to use it, just watch a quick 10-second video or like maybe a 10-minute video on YouTube about it and you know exactly how it's going to work. It's really important that you know how support and resistance work, and also how you know that basically that you know how Fibonacci retracements work. So basically, just to prove you guys that I am actually making this much money, this is my wallet. You can actually verify this on Twitter right here. And I basically bought $10,000 worth of this coin called MAGA. Here at the exact support level, we can see we clearly can see that this entire basically project only had one major support level, and I just saw that once we were trading down that there is just no other support level than this level, meaning there's an extremely big chance that we are going to support from off that level and just bounce, get a quick bounce from off that level, and because of the bounce you can of course make money. So what did I do? Well, it was really easy. I just saw support level, all I did was place a limit order using the Trojan bot, limit orders. If you don't know how to use it, if you want to use it, have never used it before, go use it. Link in the description below, first link, go use it. It's really easy. But yeah, basically I just placed a limit order, my limit order got perfectly filled, and literally once I was in my position right here, the price literally went up more than 70% in just 2 days. And we can actually see I did actually ape about $10,000 in this project right here. If I look at the transaction, we can see I bought exactly 3 Ethereum worth of this project here at the exact bottom. And then literally just about 2 or maybe even 1 day ago, 1 day after I bought that, we can see it right here, I sold that project. And if we look at the transaction, we can see I sold this for more than 4.1 Ethereum profit, meaning I made more than $5,000 on that single trade. It is that easy. Literally all I simply had to do was place a limit order on this project because it was approaching gigantic support. It has perfect liquidity, meaning this support was definitely going to hold. So yeah, I just entered, and after just a day I made about $5,000 with this trade. Reason why I simply closed my position was simply because I saw this rounding bottom, plus we were not holding this level of support here, because we kind of do have some support now here as well, but we were basically not holding, we were dumping, so I ended up selling somewhere right here for like a 50% gain. And then I just knew that we were most likely going to go for a double bottom. So all I had to do again was place my limit order right here and then just ride it up again. Right now I am still in this position. We can see I actually think this is going to break out anytime soon. We can see a clear pattern, and the second we break out of this pattern, we are most likely going to head over into price discovery again. And yeah, it's just that easy to make money. Actually, that's the only strategy I'm using right now. We can do it on any freaking coin. It does work a little bit better on Ethereum coins, however Solana coins will also work. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it in a Solana coin in just a second. But yeah, basically all you simply do is go to a project that has high liquidity, high volume, and it's just overall pretty good. I mean, you don't want to buy a project that is either scamming or just looks really bad. Of course, you want to only use the support and resistance strategy or the pattern strategy basically on projects that do look actually good and have potential further upside. And basically all we simply do is look for an area of support where we can enter into a position. So I saw this coin just rising to the upside, and literally all I did was just wait till the price rebounds. So I was actually thinking of buying right here, but I just knew the price is most likely going to dump first to the downside because we have gigantic support, and all I did was simply enter right here, and I did actually enter. We can see right here I bought 28 hours ago about 3 Ethereum again of this coin called Biao, and it was right around this level, and literally within like 24 hours, maybe in actually 9 hours, my entire position made a 100% gain, meaning at 2x. I literally turned 10k into 20k. I did not end up selling. I am still holding this project simply because I think it is just going to go much higher. We can actually see it is still in my wallet right here. So I just think that this is going to go much higher, but it's just that easy. Literally just look at a project that is in an uptrend or either in a gigantic downtrend ready to reverse, and then just enter into that project with a limit order and just simply sell whenever you feel like. You can either set take profits for yourself, maybe like 50%, 20%, whatever. You can also look for the next area of resistance if that project has that. Of course, this one doesn't. So what you can do basically then is just simply use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So what you simply do is do it like that. And you can see exactly, for example, where the next area of resistance is most likely going to be. And you can basically do this on any time frame and scale. It's just really easy. For example, just like this, we can see this is basically where the coin started trading. So we can see right now that we are at clear resistance. That's also where the price is right now, not capable of breaking through this level because we are at resistance. But yeah, the second we break, my next target is of course going to be all-time high. And then my next target will be here at around a $40 million on market cap. Once it happens, it's most likely going to be like a 3 or 4x for me, meaning I literally made $30,000 just like that on a single meme coin. And it was not even early on this project. I literally bought at a $15 million in market cap. Basically all you just simply need is some conviction, a little bit of basically margin for your trades. I would not recommend doing this with like $10, $20. I would always recommend doing this with at least like a few $100, maybe like 1 Solana, that's perfect. Yeah, you just simply wait for your support level to basically be reached. You enter or automatically enter using Trojan, link in the description below, and basically just wait till your take profit has hit. Now these were 2 trades I did basically in the past, so it's really easy to talk about trades in the past, of course. So now let's just go to a new project basically I've never looked at before and see if we can potentially identify some support or resistance levels. So let's look not at bear because this was a little bit of a scam. So let's potentially look at like Daddy Tate. I mean, this project has been going absolutely insane, and now you have still not entered into this project and you want to know exactly when you should enter into this project. Well, the first thing we can do is of course draw some support and resistance levels. We can see this project is extremely new, meaning there is not much support and resistance right now. But we can still see that we have one level right here and potentially one more level right here, and right now we have some resistance at this level. So basically what we can do right now is just simply wait what the price is going to do right here. If the price simply flips this level of support and turns basically its previous resistance into support, you can easily enter. And remember, you can even set a stop loss with Trojan as well, link in the description below. What you can potentially just do is wait to see if the price is going to retest, basically flip this area of resistance into support, wait on the retest and enter there, and then just simply place your stop loss just under that. So something like this. Maybe place your stop loss at like a 10% loss for a meme coin, that's fine of course, and your target at like, I don't know, whatever you want, like a $1 billion in market cap maybe, something like that. So that's going to be the craziest trade ever, and the chances of this one actually playing out are quite good. And if you lose, you only lose 10%, but if you win, you literally make over 150%. And that's literally the only way how I would simply trade this coin. I would just not randomly enter at a price level. I would always basically want a level that makes sense to enter. We can also of course use the Fibonacci retracement tool, maybe like at like the bottom right here, to see where the next area of support and resistance is going to be. So yeah, we can clearly see right now that the Fibonacci levels are definitely being respected a lot. Here we can see here. Sorry. So we can see here. So yeah, these levels of the Fibonacci levels are definitely being respected a lot, which is really cool to see. So I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we bounce from here, we retest, and then we simply go up. That was something like, that was my game plan be. If I really want to do this project, because I think it's going to go much higher, I would simply either wait for this level right here, or for a retest of the previous all-time high. So the chart will do something like that. If that would happen, that will be a perfect entry. You can either enter right here or right here, based on whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, I know I'm not the best at explaining this, but I just wanted to show you guys that trading meme coins using support and resistance is definitely possible, and it is not some crazy technique you can only use on high liquidity coins. You can literally do this on any coin above, like, I don't know, like a 500k in liquidity maybe. So I would basically just only do this for coins above a 500k liquidity. But what I mean is that this is not only capable on Bitcoin, but also on meme coins. And it's really easy, because once this project goes up, it doesn't go up 1-2% like Bitcoin does. It's generally, most of these meme coins immediately do like 50% in a single day. It's just crazy. There's a shitload of money to be made using support and resistance trading. I've already made another video about this as well, so make sure to watch it. I will link it in the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen. Make sure to go check it out, because trading support and resistance meme coins is just the easiest thing ever. I will definitely recommend checking it out. Of course, nothing is financial advice. You can still lose your money. But using this method, I am literally making money right now. It's only blockchain. You can just check it out. This is actually real. And yeah, basically that's all I have for you guys right now. So I know it was quite a long video, and I know I'm not the best at explaining, but I still hope that I made a good tutorial for you. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely answer them. Yeah, basically that being said, that's all I have for you guys right now. So go subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out Trojan Bot, link in the description below. That being said, I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto, meme coin, review, tutorial, whatever.